Partnering with ISPE has actually been really beneficial for us because it has allowed us to reach an audience that we can't reach on our own.
So for us to sponsor and to exhibit, we get credible exposure with the world leaders right now.
I think it's important because this is the who's who of conferences in regards to pharmaceutical and life sciences.
We've been partners with ISPE for many years now. This year we actually decided to up our game and up our sponsorship levels. We are now platinum sponsors of ISPE. So a platinum sponsorship indicates that we have the end-to-end coverage that our clients are looking for, and we recognize the opportunity that a conference like this provides us as truly end-to-end service providers to be matched up with clients that are interested in partnering with strategic service providers like us.
The number one benefit for us is marketing and brand recognition. That ISPE is the key organization for us in selling our product and our services.
With ISPE, we've been able to do sponsored white papers, we've done email blasts, we've completed a webinar with them, and ISPE has allowed us to push into the different industries that we're still working to get into. The ISPE connections that we have with the sponsorships and the exhibiting and stuff, we get to talk to the decision makers that are out there in the industry.
I mean, if you want to be seen and play in the life science arena, you need to be at ISPE annual event.